Today, we'll learn how to install an Android Wear OS watch face from the Play Store. First, open the Play Store. For this demo, I'm going to download Lightness Health Watch Face 044, a free digital watch face that looks premium with 5 complications. On the watch face page in the Play Store, you'll see an install button. Next to it, there's a down arrow. Press it, and you'll see the option to install on more devices. Ensure that all necessary devices, including your wearable device, are selected. Then, press Install. Download and install action will take a few moments to download and install. Once the installation is complete, open the phone app. Here, you'll find all the information about the watch face. At the bottom, there's an Install Watch Face button. Press this button, and the watch face page will open on your watch, showing the uninstall button since it's already installed. To find the new watch face on your watch, go back to the home screen and press and hold the center of the watch for a few seconds. This will take you to the Change Watch Face screen. Scroll to the right, and at the end, you'll find a plus button to add more watch faces. You'll see an orange dot indicating the new watch face was recently installed. Press the plus button, and it will take you to the Add More Watch Face section. Scroll down to the Downloaded category, where you'll find the new watch face marked with an orange dot, which will only show the first time. Now, you can select your new watch face installed on your watch. Now this new watch face listed in the main selection area. Enjoy your watch face! Hope you enjoyed the video and learned how to install and add a watch face from the Play Store. Please subscribe, like, and share. You'll receive more free coupons and updates on new watch faces on this channel. Thank you!